No, we're not taking. Jamie, where are we?
We are
In
at
Camp Morningstar.
church camp.
Yep, about 3 hours away from LA. Woo!
And about 8.5 hours from our hometown.
Yes, and it was a long car ride home. Car ride there. And it was a lot of fun. These are our bunks. That's mine and Jamie's. These are our homes for the next 5 days. And we just got through service, and right now we go to bed in about 30 minutes. It's 10:30 here.
Yes.
Well, 10 o'clock. And then we just met these little girls who came into our room and are huge Jonas Brother fans, just like us.
And we got so excited.
We got so excited.
We made friends.
We made friends. I mean, we've already made a lot of friends here, but tonight's service was just so amazing.
It's like a wave hit us, like suddenly,
I can't explain it. It was so powerful.
Yeah.
God was definitely there, and it was so awesome that we got to experience that with tons of other people
Yeah.
who love him and cherish him like we do. But oh my gosh, there's other. I mean, I know there's like a ton of Jonas Brothers fans out there, but there's so many here. I mean, we just met
There's
about
like-
6 girls.
like 6 girls. Literally, like I had my Jonas Brother concert shirt in my bag, and they're like, "Is that the Jonas Brothers?" I'm like, yeah.
And then we're like, we went once, and now we're going again this time, September 18th,
Yep.
Sunday at Shoreline Amphitheater in San Jose, I think, Santa Maria, something like that.
Yeah. I don't wanna.
Anyway, this is our gorgeous cabin. This is one of the closets, other bunk beds, Sister Shannon's bed, Sister Jamie's.
No.
Oh, that's Sister Terry's.
Sister Terry's.
This is Josie's. Jamie's, mine, as you see. Sister Terry's clothes. Oh, this is our stuff. You really can't see that, but the polka dots is mine. I mean Jamie's. Then that one's mine. Oh yeah, that's Josie's stuff. Sister Terry's. Our shoes. Ouch! Don't pirouette me. Jamie's going to be in ballet, and she's really good. Someone else's stuff. And the people in our camp are so nice. And 2 other girls who we don't really know. But yes.
Some people in our cabin are kind of a little snobby, and we're not really used to yet, but
We're gonna make friends, and whatever happens on this trip, and it's because God planned it. And anyway, Jamie and I are saying goodnight.
off to bed.
Good night, you two.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.